Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from Amazon shopping app. So in order to do this, first of all, open your Amazon application. Now, after opening your application, you will see your home page. On the home page, you will see few tools at the bottom. Home, You, More, Cart and Menu. So click on You option. Now choose Your Account button. So on this page, you'll have to click on the Login and Security button. After you choose Login and Security, you'll be promoted to this page. On this page, you'll have to simply make sure that Keep Me Signed In button is turned off. Now, click on Switch Accounts. After you click on Switch Accounts, you will see that the account that you're logged in will be shown at the top. And you'll have the option to add another account. So you'll have to just click on the sign out button at the top right of the account that you want to log out of. Now after clicking on that button, you'll have to simply enter a mobile number or email and click on continue. After you click on continue, you'll have to click on proceed to create a new account or sign in with another email or mobile. Now after you click on sign in with another email or mobile, you'll have to simply enter the verification code, submit that code and log into your account. After doing this, you would have successfully logged out of your Amazon account. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.